या मित्रांनो, ब्रेक नंतर स्वागत आहे. वेलकम बॅक. मॅच नंबर 7 ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग Season 2. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers taking on the Eagle Nashik Titans.
PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have won the toss and they will be batting first. Let's have a quick look at both the teams. First, PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, who have won the toss, they'll be batting first. Harsh Sanghvi, Ankit Bhavne, Rahul Tripathi leading the team today. Eagle Nashik Titans, there's the promising Arshin Kulkarni, scored a century in the first season of MPL, also represented the Lucknow Super Giants. Mandar Bhade, Yash Khaladkar, the left arm spinner, Shreyas Chavan and Nihal Tosamat bowled really well yesterday. Harsh Sanghvi, Ankit Bhavne, MPL career reads very impressive numbers. Mukesh Chaudhary getting ready to bowl.
3, 2, 1, let's begin!
To fire. Oh, nicely bowled. A good bouncer.
पैवेलियन में वापस 3 पर 1.
Contributed with the bat, but was very, very good with the ball in hand. 5 wickets in the Maharashtra Premier League. Let's see.
You utilized that short ball really well. Surprised Ankit there. Uncomfortable height. Gets that ball to swing away from the right-hander. Picked up nicely this time over mid-wicket. Slightly.
MPL. Oh, nicely played. Wonderful batting this. Mukesh Chaudhary's run up as well. Oh, good shot that. Nicely cut away. He does make a grand cut.
तो देखें इनको और वही किया अर्शिन कुलकर्णी. शाबाश अर्शिन, बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाजी. राहुल एक छोटी वाली इनिंग खेल के.
Oh, nicely hit. The bat made such a melodious sound the moment it left. On the up, oh, good catch. Well done.
Side field. No timing whatsoever. The way the ball was dipping at the end of the 30-yard circle, you gathered that there was no power in that shot whatsoever. Harsh Sanghvi departs for 12, 32 for 3.
3 wickets. Sachin Das is the new batter. Another promising cricketer from Maharashtra. Oh, nicely played. Technique was so perfect there. That punch.
और एक शॉर्ट बॉल यहाँ पर दिग्विजय देशमुख का पूरा फायदा उठाया.
Deshmukh in this over that he bowled, he picked up a wicket. In comes Rehan Khan for the. Oh, takes the inside edge. Or was it the LBW? He's also appealing. Deshmukh back in the attack. Short ball cut. Backward point placed. And is that a misfield? Oh, that's hit him. It was a nice short ball. That again in the replay. Oh, directly or the ball has gone through the visor and has hit the nose.
And carve out a couple of boundaries and look for that momentum. Akshay Kumar, the left arm spinner, because we've.
There he goes. Short ball and accepted by Aniket Porwal.
Off the back foot, nicely played over the bowler's head. No chance for the two fielders on the boundary line.
Doing commentary, I bring this up. Oh, clean bowled. Clean bowled, Aniket. The best thing that he does is bowls wicket to wicket and gets the reward.
Yes, he gets the reward and breaks this partnership. It's that breakthrough. Aniket Porwal out on 37, 90 for 4. Siddharth Mhatre is the new batter. His line. Down the leg side, once again, swept. No chance for the fielder at the backward square leg.
Shot over mid-wicket, 6 runs. Sachin Das.
Full toss, dismissed, and that's a 6. Over covers.
बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर, फील्डर है पीछे और देशमुख ने ये कैच पकड़ लिया है। दिखा सचिन दास 46 रन कर रन बना।
So far, just 3 runs and that wicket. Very important wicket, and the new batter in Yogesh Dongre.
If they score 160, 170, शॉर्ट बॉल सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में, देशमुख ने बढ़िया कैच आगे डाइव मार के ले लिया।
53, 137 for 6. ओह, बढ़िया शॉट, कवर्स के ऊपर से बढ़िया।
क्या टाइमिंग, क्या ताकत, फिर उंगलियां घुमाई थी, ये ब्लफ किया और ये आउट। बढ़िया कैच वहां पर कवर्स में, आउटस्टैंडिंग कैच, फील्डिंग आज दोपहर।
So Yogesh Dongre has gone for 11, 151 for 7. The final delivery this time, first up and will that be a boundary? Yes, that's a boundary. What a way to start. 155 for 7 after 19.
स्टैंडिंग।
आखिरी गेंद पर क्या हो रहा है? गेंद जा रही है थर्ड मैन पर, रोक लिया गया है। फुल टॉस थी, एक ही रन मिलेगा। गुड रिकवरी after losing, and Dongre all got together and contributed. Take the score to 162 for 7, just 6 extras in that innings. And the partnerships that were the highlight of this innings was that 58-run stand between Aniket Porwal.
The right-handed batter, opening with Arshin Kulkarni. I've heard a lot of. I've seen him getting wickets in both the games that he's played. Arshin Kulkarni. I've heard a lot about him.
Swing and goes through. The keeper
Went to begging, but this time around swivels. Back-to-back boundaries off the back foot.
Within 45 minutes, what a hit! Wow!
slip placed. Pull and handsomely 6 runs.
गहरा लंबा वो विशाल छक्का वहां पे, सटीक टाइमिंग।
बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट लगाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. He's trying too hard, the bowler. Not a very good line for T20 cricket, but look.
Give yourself the opportunity, and if you get it wrong, then Mandar is ready.
Cuts well, and no chance for the fielder at deep backward point. 4 runs to end the third.
This delivery, I'm going to take a wicket. You can't be bowling there in the power play for sure. That's just.
Oh! Now the fielder come back. Oh! Wow! Oh! Good cricket. Good try there on the boundary.
The first wicket partnership of 57 runs. Mandar Bhandari, Arshin Kulkarni. Is that going to stop? No! Short ball, pulled away. 1 bounce. Mandar will be a little disappointed that he didn't go.
You can start trying your variations. But here, things are very difficult. Shot again! This time it's a 6. Bowling in the first 6 overs, the power play time, he's all the time thinking that he's going to step out and hit me. And I've been saying it from day one. You got to believe in your
Ices. And that is what he does. Once he connects, the ball lands straight into the stands. That is Arshin Kulkarni. Cut away and in style.
डरते नहीं है, डरना नहीं. आपको आपकी आउट काफी क्लोज है. ये बढ़िया गेंदबाजी. शिकुल यहाँ पे काफी करीबी मामला है. नहीं, बच गए, बाल बच गए. सेफ है.
He's given the breakthrough to the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. A good attacking knock from Arshad Kulkarni, scored 31, 82 for 1.
डाल के गेम बनने वाली नहीं है. काफी करीबी मामला है यहाँ पर. वो थोड़े अनलकी भी रहे थे. यहाँ पे डबल ब्रेक थ्रू. ये बढ़िया गूगली पैड को लग के स्टंप को लगा. पहला ही गेंद. बहुत ही अच्छी शुरुआत श्रेयस चौहान की.
What a start for Shrindar Bhandari out on 47. Eagle Nashik Titans are 84 for 2. It's gone high up in the air. Fielder will not be able.
बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर. काफी ऊपर गया था ये. लगा ऐसा कि कैच हो जाएगा पर काफी दूर पड़ा.
Good bowling.
Again forced to play that shot. And what happens here?
Start defending like that, then you don't enjoy it. And then, oh, that's a 6.
Has been talking about his aggressive intent, and he read the change in pace quite early on, and the long on fielder did a valiant attempt.
Bowlers in T20 games, especially the ones who don't have too much experience, this is what you can do.
Fully trying to pick up the momentum and deposited that delivery right in the cow corner area.
Oh, there's an appeal there for caught behind. Oh, this time nicely connected.
Against the spin, slog sweep was missing it, but this is a much better shot that you're looking to go with the spin with a straighter bat over the bowler's head, hence the percentage for there as well. Didn't time it, but still went the distance. But it's been a clinical performance by the Eagle Nashik Titans, just like that.
Scores are level now. 1-6 that. And after that, this is the highest partnership. And with that, it is the winning runs for the Eagle Nashik Titans. Chase this target down with great ease. 8 wickets in hand. This is a convincing, thumping victory for the Eagle Nashik Titans. They make it 2. So welcome back. Match number 7. This is what happened. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers won the toss, selected to bat first. 162 is what they could score for the loss of 7 wickets. They lost 3 wickets in the power play.